Data has never been more important. It's needed in day-to-day management, communications, and to drive new profitable innovations. But with new legislation and rising cybercrime, keeping your data protected is crucial. But what should data protection look like for your organization? There are 3 steps to working that out. Step 1, truly understand your data. That means knowing where data is stored, used, and how it flows between departments and applications. Step 2, understand the risks to that data. It could be stolen, changed, or authorized access to it could be prevented. What would the consequences be? Step 3, protect your data appropriately. Identifying whether data is high or low value can help you apply the right access control, version control, and encryption measures. Now let's make your data protection strategy work in practice. There are 2 elements to consider. The first is humans. 15% of data breaches are caused by authorized user misuse. Employees must be trained on best practice. The second is technological. Security teams can't keep up with everything that's going on. Security automation solutions can help by taking care of repetitive tasks and only asking for human intervention when it's needed. Combined with orchestration, this can be rolled out to all the places your data resides and prevent malware from spreading. The solution to helping you implement your ideal data protection strategy is Juniper Advanced Threat Prevention. With a fast and flexible defense, effective detection techniques, and a perfect blend of management, visibility, and analytics, you can harness the power of automation. Find out more about keeping your data safe today and tomorrow.